Hey guys, Sam from Original Garage Moto. Today we're gonna talk about our newly redesigned OG 2009 to present Touring Remote Reservoir Mounts. Our OG Touring Remote Reservoir brackets are carefully designed to perfectly position remote reservoir more rearward for a clean look and easy access to the compression adjuster. These brackets are compatible with 2014 and newer HD Touring models, both with or without quick-release docking hardware, and will work with tour pack, backrest, and luggage rack setups. Our brackets were redesigned to fit the new 2023 CVO and 2024 to present Harley-Davidson Touring models with stock tail light setup, while keeping the same low-profile fit and finish than our original mounts. Our mounts are fully CNC machined from solid billet aluminum. They feature a machine OG logo on each canister mount. They come with stainless steel hardware and are available in either raw machine finish, our 7 anodized color, and 3 chrome finishes. Our Touring Remote Reservoir Mounts will fit Öhlins HD 044, HD 778, and HD 779 rear shocks. They'll also fit Legend Suspension Revo Arc shocks. They fit Nowaski Remote Reservoir Touring shocks and might be compatible with some other shocks brand out there. For more information regarding fitments, please visit our website or contact us for more details. Alright guys, if you have any question regarding some of these products, please feel free to call us or email us at any time. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.